There are two completely different things glowing in this sky, and most people who've ever seen a night sky have only noticed one of them. Can you spot both? Look right at the center. That sweeping river of light arching across the sky is the Milky Way. Specifically, it's our galaxy's central disk seen edge-on from the inside. Our sun sits about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center, tucked inside one of the spiral arms. So when you look along the plane of that disk, you see billions of stars packed so close together they blur into a single band. The dark streaks cutting through it aren't empty space. They're dense clouds of dust blocking the light behind them. Now look to the right. That soft pale cone rising from the horizon is something else entirely. That's zodiacal light. It's actually sunlight, bouncing off a thin sheet of dust that orbits our own sun inside the solar system. It's brightest right at the horizon because that's where you're looking most directly back toward the sun. It fades as it rises. Scientists only confirmed within the last 20 years or so that most of this dust was shed by comets that passed close to Jupiter and got torn apart. And then there's this, a single person standing on a rock in Chile's Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, which is exactly why the sky here is so dark and so clear. Look at the scale. That figure is maybe 1.5 meters tall. The Milky Way behind them is 100,000 light-years wide. The zodiacal dust cloud to their right stretches past Mars. They're standing at the exact hinge point between two enormous, completely different structures, and they have no idea we're watching. Two bands. One is your galaxy, 100,000 light-years of stars, dust, and time. The other is your solar system's own dust, lit by a sun that's 8 light-minutes away. They share the same sky. They look almost like cousins, and they are not even remotely the same kind of thing. That's what one dark, clear night in the Atacama can show you. We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the sky serves up next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.